Hello, Facebook. This is Maria Fernandez, and I received a package today, and I want to unbox it. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Lisa Erickson. So I received this beautiful package. Oh my God. From Magic, Grounding, Healing, and Creating Spray. This packaging is so beautiful. I have never seen a box like this. It says on top, I'm going to read what it says here. People don't need help. People need to be reminded what it feels like to be in the presence of love. That's beautiful. It says, I'll continue to read what's along the box. Magic contains no preservatives, parabens, colorants, or alcohol, which is really important because I don't use stuff like that. Magic restores, rebalances, replenishes cells in a high vibrational conscious living solution to keep you running happy, healthy, holy, and harmonious. All words that I'm like, yep, happy, healthy, holy, and harmonious. Like, I am totally looking for this. And I love how it says keeps cells, replenishes, restores, rebalances cells in a high vibration consciousness, because we need to keep that. It says consciously created with love on the Bogs in Middleboro, Mass. Divinely inspired, and I believe it. I have never seen a packaging like this. This is Magic Migraine, and free gifts at www.migrainemagick.com or themagicbrand.com. And you could follow on Instagram at Migraine Magick 911, on Facebook Migraine Magick, Looney 911. This is very clever. So now let's see what's inside. Hope you're having a beautiful Friday. So thank you, Lisa, for sending this. I know Lisa tried to send me this in a different address, and for some reason it didn't go to that address, and so she resent it. Lisa Erickson makes beautiful music. She makes beautiful mantra music, and she has a YouTube page that you could listen to, and her music is particularly wonderful because it has isochronic tones and binaural tones, which balances your hemisphere, and all her music is created to make you tune in, become more attuned, and it's just like puts you in a good mood. It removes negative energy. So everything that Lisa does is with consciousness and love, which I vibe with that. Oh, 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 oh. Look at this gold bag. Oh yeah, it's so beautiful. Da 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 da. Here we go. Oh, I could smell this. Like, it's not even open, and I could smell like a little bit of minty sort of flavor. It's so soothing. Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful. This logo is so beautiful. It's like a heart with like mountains and elements, and there's like the geometria patterns in the logo. So this is a spray bottle. Let's see. Here we go. Hello, tuning in. I am on opening the Magic Migraine Love Potion, and I am excited. I've been waiting for this, so I can't wait, because it's a full moon in Scorpio, so this is beautiful energy. Okay. Oh my God. Whew. Oh my God, this is better than a baby smell. I can't, okay. It has so many different flavors. I'm like trying to figure like all the smells that I'm currently smelling right now. It smells like you know how a baby, oh my God. It's like powdery baby meets minty, meets like delicious treat. So if you're tuning in, I am opening the Magic Grounding Healing Creating Spray. And in my beautiful box, I am so excited. I have this beautiful little bag too. It must be a tea. Oh, it looks like it has like lavender and straw. And so I am really excited because I love when companies give you little pamphlets so you could read more about it. So I'm gonna read to you. I hope you don't mind. It says the Love Magic, a self-love potion. Love magic is a blessing. Love magic is a gently powerful and consciously loving magic elixir. And I get it, because it is gentle, but you can smell it. It's so soft. It's like a baby soft. As you're awakening, this will deliver you in the field of grace and love. This is a sacred technology to unite body and mind in the lemniscate of consciousness and health. So you become an integrated divine human life streaming your genius. Curandera. And I'm a curandera. I'm a boike. This is like meant for me, for sure. Love Magic Elixir is a creation to bring you home to your divine presence. Love Magic Elixir is specifically designed to help you make sincere and intimate contact with your greater self. Quote, Lisa Erickson. Wow, Lisa, this is amazing. There's so much more here. I should continue reading. I was just reading the middle part of it. What else does it say? Get connected, clear, calm, and triggerless. Replenish, restore, relax, recalibrate, reorganize, super radiate, yes. Self-love, connect to your source energy. What sets us apart? Okay, let's see. This is a 100% high vibe natural spray on love technology created over years of contemplation specifically for self-love. Every step of Love Magic creation is overseen by Lisa to ensure the highest quality and vibration for those with a hypersensitive nature. I am HSP. I am a highly sensitive person. And if you don't know about it, look it up, research. 20% of the population, we are highly sensitive people. You know, like, you're too sensitive. You know, like, no, we have like higher senses and everything we feel deeper. So, yes, I need this. Wow. Ultimately, the synergy of Love Magic solution assists those on their journey to ground and connect on their journey, which for me, grounding is hard because I'm so heady and airy in my head all of the time. I definitely need this. She knew I needed this. Thank you. Those with a daily practice have been waiting for this physical energetic tool. Love Magic meets you where you are consciously. With consistent use, integration continues with energetic balancing, emotional harmony, self-attunement, alignment, and manifestation for a profound and calming embodiment experience. Pair with any spiritual practice, get ready to knock your socks off. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Ooh, the sacred. There's so many beautiful I mean, this has gem essences of like pink tourmaline, amazonite, pink opal, rose quartz. Oh yeah, malachite, frequencies for heart and root chakra. I mean, this is the ingredients. I mean, whoa. A lot of beautiful, beautiful pearl powder. I knew I smelled powder. Powder. Yes. I was like, it smells like a baby. It's pearl powder. It's so delicious. I love it. I love it. Bulgarian rose. Woohoo. Yeah. It smells so good. I wish you were here. I wish this technology could have like a smell and a touch so that you could experience what I'm experiencing. It's beautiful. So, let's keep reading. I'm still reading. Love Magic is a 4-ounce spray-on topical technology. Love Magic is intended to purify, clarify, ground and connect your energy and sync your consciousness. As a love tool on the physical level, therapeutic sacred essential oils are selected to soothe and stress and tension. The super high electrolyte solution is intuition nutrition, replenishing the cellular voltage the nerves are lusting for. This solution is structured through scalar and halo therapy and is steeped in gem essences to magnetically enhance healing, all of which is distressing and calming through sound, light. I have somebody waiting for me. Oh my God, I'm gonna come back because there's so much more to read and share. I'm really excited about all of this.